Okay, here are the bikes that are going to Iconic, and just setting them up here. First one is a 2015 CBR 1000 Repsol, and this bike has no miles on it. This bike was bench tested rather, and it's about ready to go. I'll give you an idea that what 1.37 means. And it was just recommissioned here in June by the original tech who teched it the first time when it was sold, before it went into a fella's display in his boardroom. So we're got a brand new bike here on offer. Next one is the Kawasaki GPZ 900R. It's a 1986, and it's been wrapped in the Top Gun colors. It's a fully restored bike. I've got $6,000 worth of receipts for parts alone. Built by a fellow in Edmonton for himself, and so fully documented. It's an Aero spec bike, and so there are the blue and white paint scheme underneath. So we just did the wrap over top. So you'll see here, for example, the Kawasaki decal is still underneath. The wrap is done true to the poster. The decals we bought from a decal kit, and the bike runs beautifully. The next one is a 100-point restoration, a 1972 Honda 750 K2, all OEM or Japanese parts. Probably got 60 miles on it since it was restored. I've had it for a couple of years. Runs a couple of times a year. Beautiful example. Correct parts. You'll see all the numbers. Everybody looks to make sure that the exhaust pipe numbers are correct, and of course they are. And it's been a great bike. And the last one coming up is a 1986 Laverda SFC 1000, Italian stallion. Just finished recommissioning it, getting it back up to spec, replacing a bunch of parts on the advice of the fellows in the cusp who are experts in Laverda. This is a really good example. Again, this is original paint, so the fellow did wear a little bit of the tank, and there's a blurch here and there, but original pipes, etc. And it's just a wonderful bike. It's got 15,000 kilometers on it, and it looks it. I'm leaving the original brown, slightly worn hand grips on, although we got the other hand grips, and it's been a great bike. So there they are. I'm going to do cold starts on all of them because everybody will want to see that. But big array. We're hoping for good action at the auction, and bid loud, bid often, and bid big. By the way, the mirrors are coming for the Laverda. They're just not here yet.